Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're tackling something I know is top of mind for a lot of you, building real wealth when you're already swamped. If you're a busy professional working flat out, your calendar is probably already jam-packed, right? You want financial independence, but there is no magical 25th hour in the day to pick up a demanding second job. So in this Explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you make your money work for you. We'll look at proven strategies designed specifically for a time-poor lifestyle, so you can see exactly how it's actually done. Let's just picture a scenario for a second. Imagine rolling over, grabbing your phone from the nightstand before you've even brewed your morning coffee, and seeing that while you were sound asleep, money just landed in your account. Sounds like a total dream, doesn't it? But here's the thing, passive income is absolutely real. The problem? Well, most people go about it the completely wrong way. So let's establish reality right out of the gate here. We are completely ignoring those fake get-rich-overnight slot machine myths that you constantly see blowing up on social media. Nope. Instead, we are focusing on planting seeds for proven long-term wealth. It's all about pragmatic strategies that actually decouple your time from your earnings. We want a sustainable machine, not some flashy payout that's here today and gone tomorrow. So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the passive income reality, move into digital assets and affiliates, touch on dividends and automated content, uncover the ultimate wealth builder, and finally lock in your exact next steps. Kicking things off with Section 1, the passive income reality, and why it means putting in the work today. Moving right along to Section 2, digital assets and affiliates. These are your scalable side hustles. Coming in at number 5 on our countdown, we have selling digital products. Imagine building something literally just once and then getting paid for it again and again. That's the beauty of the digital product model. We're talking ebooks, budget templates, AI prompts, Notion planners, printable journals, or online guides. But honestly, for a busy professional, the absolute best part is what you don't have to deal with. There's zero physical inventory, no shipping logistics, and definitely no warehouse space to rent. It's actually a fascinating reality. Thousands of creators are cashing in daily on products they built months or even years ago. Once your digital product is live and you've got your systems running, every single sale after that becomes mostly passive. You put in the heavy lifting up front, right? And now the internet acts as your tireless 24/7 salesperson. Now, sitting at number 4 is affiliate marketing. Honestly, this is one of the absolute easiest business models to get into, which makes it perfect when you're super short on time. The whole process is incredibly straightforward. You recommend a product or a service that you genuinely believe in, and when someone uses your unique link to buy it, you get a commission. That's it. You don't invent the product, and you entirely bypass the customer support headache. You're just connecting people with solutions. Think about that amazing ergonomic chair you use in your home office. If you link it and a colleague buys it, you get a cut. Super simple. All right, Section 3, dividends and automated content. This is where we start growing those automated systems. Number 3 on our list is dividend investing. Imagine owning a tiny slice of the biggest, most profitable companies on the planet and getting paid just for being an owner. That is the core of dividend investing. Basically, some companies choose to take a chunk of their corporate profits and share it directly with their shareholders. We call those payments dividends. In this setup, your money is essentially acting as your hardest working employee. And as your overall portfolio gets bigger, that passive income stream just grows right along with it. But you know what the real secret is here? It's consistency over quick riches. I can't stress this enough. Making small, consistent investments regularly over time becomes surprisingly powerful. It's like a snowball effect. You're building this reliable income machine, brick by brick, quarter by quarter, just by consistently holding on to your shares. Moving on to strategy number 2, YouTube automation. And this brings us to a surprisingly liberating fact that keeps a lot of people away from video content. The secret? You don't have to appear on camera at all. Look, if you're a professional with a packed schedule, you probably don't have the time, or let's be real, the desire, to film yourself and try to build some massive personal brand. But you can still build a highly lucrative digital asset on YouTube. So how exactly does that work? By leaning into AI tools. These days, smart creators are using AI to write scripts, generate lifelike voiceovers, edit the videos, design thumbnails, even research the topics. Basically, they're taking what used to be 40 hours of grueling production work and compressing it into just a few hours of project management. And when you compare that little bit of upfront effort against the outcome, you've created a genuine long-term asset. A single high-quality video can pull in views and ad revenue for years. It's an automated digital asset that keeps working way after you've closed your laptop for the night. Down to Section 4, the ultimate wealth builder. This is the most passive, time-tested strategy out there. And coming in at the #1 spot on our countdown, investing in index funds. Now, instead of trying to pick individual winning stocks, which frankly takes a massive amount of time and research, an index fund just holds tiny pieces of hundreds of different companies all at once. Conceptually, it just spreads your cash across all those different slices. This is brilliant because it manages your risk while letting your money grow safely alongside the overall market over the long haul. History has consistently shown us that patient investors who rely on index funds aren't doing it to get rich by next Tuesday. They do it to build lasting generational wealth without the day-to-day stress of micromanaging individual stocks. This is literally the ultimate passive income strategy. It's trusted by millions of long-term investors, and it's exactly why so many financially successful people use index funds as the absolute bedrock of their wealth. Finally, Section 5, your next steps. Let's turn this knowledge into action. We've counted down the top strategies today, but listen, the absolute biggest lesson for building real wealth, and honestly, the most common trap people fall right into, is trying to do all of these at once. The secret is the #1. Just pick one idea from this list. That's it. Master it completely. Stay intensely consistent with it until it is running like a well-oiled machine. Only then, and I mean literally only then, should you even think about adding a second income stream. Focus is definitely your greatest asset here. So, I want to leave you with a final thought to wrap up our explainer today. Take a hard, honest look at your schedule. Evaluate your personal financial goals and ask yourself, which one of these passive income ideas are you going to start first? Are you going to build a digital product, jump into dividend investing, or maybe set up some index funds? The choice is totally yours, but remember this, the absolute best time to start decoupling your wealth from your work calendar is today. Thanks for joining me for this explainer. Now get out there and start making your money work for you.